Now we are going to prove root 5 is irrational. By contradiction method. Now let us see. First question. Root 5 is irrational. First, let us assume that root 5 is rational. By the definition of rational, root 5 is in the form of a by b, where a comma b belongs to integers, b not equal to 0, a and b are co-primes. Mainly we are going to use a and b are co-primes. Already we learned in the example. Now here squaring on both sides. Root 5 whole square, a by b whole square. Square root to cancel. Equal to a square. This square belongs to the numerator and denominator. Square by b square. Now cross multiply. 5b square is equal to a square. These two equal to these two product. Now here 5 is multiplying. If it go that side, it will divide. 5 divides. If 5 divides a square, 5 also divides a. Means a also have to divide it by 5. Then the coefficient, let us see. Let us assume the coefficient is c. Now a is equal to 5 is dividing. If it goes outside, it will multiply 5c. Now the value of a, substitute here. Substitute in this equation. 5b square is equal to a square. 5b square is equal to a value as 5c whole square. Now the square belongs to the both. 5b square is equal to 25c square. Now 5 ones are 5 5s are. Now b square is equal to 5c square. 5 come this side, b square by 5 equal to c square. In the same way, 5 divides b square, it is also divides b. So b also divided by 5, the coefficient will be d. So here and here, a is divided by 5 and also b is divided by 5. So what is the conclusion here? A and b are both dividing with 5. So a and b are not co-primes. So our assumption is contradiction. Root 5 is not rational, root 5 is irrational. Okay, now let us see Second question. What is that? Prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Now let us see the second problem. 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Okay. In the same problem, in the previous problem, let us assume 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. But what is the definition of rational? It's in the P by Q form, and in the same way as in the previous question, 3 plus 2 root 5 equal to A by B, where A comma B belongs to integers, B not equal to 0, A and B are co-primes. Here we are going to use this condition. Now 2 root 5 is equal to plus 3, if it goes that side, minus 3. Now by 1, what is the LCM? B. B in B table 1 time, 1 into A, minus in 1 table B times, that is 3B. What is remain in the left side? 2 root 5. So now we are going to send or transfer 2. 2 is multiplying. If it go that side, it will divide by 2B. Now please observe carefully. In the right hand side, this is left hand side. In RHS, A and B are integers. So RHS is rational. Here RHS is equal to LHS. So if RHS is rational, that means right hand side, LHS also rational. But LHS root 5 is irrational, we all know. But we know that root 5 is irrational. So our assumption, we assumed. So our assumption is contradiction, means it is wrong. Contradiction. So therefore 3 plus 2 root 5 is not rational. So therefore 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. We used contradiction method right now.